Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we've got a hottie for you today. Check out this 1973 Cuda. And yes, it is a real Cuda. It has the BS code and the VIN number. We have the original build sheet as well. It was born the 340 high performance motor. Now it's got an upgraded Gen 3 Hemi under the hood. It's got vintage air conditioning. This thing's been flipped upside down, rotisserie restored. It's a factory-born Lemon Twist yellow car. It's decked out with all sorts of goodies. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study the pictures top to bottom, and we do put prices on our cars on our website. Every car for sale has a price along with a monthly finance option as well. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing was flipped upside down, everything removed from the bottom of the car. It appears to be all original metal. The floors, the frame rails, the rockers, all the seams, it all looks factory to me, and it's spotless clean metal, and it's all painted the same yellow that you see on the body. Then when they put all the components back, everything was rebuilt or replaced. The entire front end all looks new. The control arms, bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, you name it, it all looks new. Same thing in back, the leaf springs, shocks, bushings. It has a sway bar front and back. It has a stainless steel gas tank. It's polished, it's shiny. New fuel system, the lines, the fuel pump, all that stuff's been replaced. New dual exhaust system. Has Dynamax mufflers. You'll hear how it sounds at the end of the video. And it has the rectangular tips that come out through the valance. Disc brakes up front. The whole brake system's been rebuilt. E-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor. It has a anodized custom oil pan, high torque starter. And it actually has its original VIN number matching 727 Torque Flight automatic. Looks fresh and clean. Drive shaft is rebuilt. Has an 8 3/4 rear end in the back. Honestly, I don't know what gear is in it. I drove the car. It's probably like a 336, 355. Nice cruising gear. So yeah, underneath the car looks practically new, rust-free, and all the components were rebuilt or restored. The body. It's a Cuda, so it has this nice dual scooped hood. It fits in there perfectly square and flush. This is all absolutely straight. This is absolutely straight body. The gaps are spot on. Even way down here, there are no bubbles. It's all smooth, no issues. There is a little crack in the paint at the corner on the actual body right there, a little crack in the paint. The roof is all nice, no vinyl top, no issues here. There is a seam right here. They put it there just like you put in your sidewalk, so the crack follows the seam. So there's a hairline crack in the paint in that seam, but that's what it's there for. Trunk fits square and flush, all lines up everywhere. Straight, I'm not seeing any damage. It's all straight all the way to the bottom. I don't see or feel any bubbles. The rockers are nice. The gaps are really spot on. Really good gaps on this car. Hood sat up a little bit. I just pushed it down and went right into place. Yeah, no bubbles at all. It's all metal. Original Lemon Twist yellow car. It's kind of a big deal. Paint is smooth and glossy. There's a little nick on the inside of this fender. So a couple minor imperfections. There's a nick on the inside edge right there. The grille is redone. It's in that argent silver. I always love the little red accent they put in these grills. Bumpers rechromed. Windshield is not new. It's got a few little light scratches. All the glass is tinted. I think the windshield is too. Yeah, windshield's tinted. So all the glass looks like it's probably good original and it's been tinted. The moldings are good. There's like a little dimple here. So they're not brand new perfect, but they're very nice. Dual chrome racing mirrors. They look to be in good original shape. Door handles look to be good original. A couple little pits on it. Got the rear spoiler. The Cuda has a blacked out tail panel. The bumper, nice and shiny, but when you look close, it does have some freckles in the chrome, so it's probably a real good original. All fits real nice. And then you got the big billboard stripe that really looks hot on these Cudas. The wheels. I love what they're doing with the original Rallye wheel. It's all billet. Cut billet, has the argent silver paint in the middle with the polished rim. And what size are they? They're performance tires. And the wheels, I should probably check this before I do the video. 17-inch wheels. They look brand new. Got the original style center caps. Yeah, they're 17s in front also. So that's the outside of the car. Let's open it up. We'll show you that Hemi under that hood. All right, let's look inside the trunk here. Under the trunk lid's painted nicely. You can see the new brackets for the spoiler. Weather strip looks new. It's all solid metal, all clean, painted yellow. It's not as glossy as the outside, but it's all painted. It's nice. It does have the jack assembly where it's supposed to be, but no spare tire in this one. The door jambs are respectable, the weather strips are replaced, the window seals are new, the sill plates down on the bottom are new. Door panels are mint, those gotta be new. They're excellent reproductions too. The armrest, all that looks mint. The dash pad's probably new because these always split. This is a pristine dash pad, a really nice one, but I would assume it's replaced because it's too nice. And then we got the nice Rallye gauge package here. It has a tachometer, the gauges, and a clock. All the wood grain, the knobs, all of it's real nice and clean. If you come back over here, this is vintage air, heat and air system. So these are electric. You don't have the old cable, rusty cables, so that works real nice. And the radio over here, it's an old 8-track radio. I drove this car, like, oh, geez, what the hell's with that? It actually sounds great. The AM FM sounded real nice. AC vents are installed very nicely. Down on the floor, under the carpet, is a sound deadener. Carpet was replaced. It has embroidered floor mats. Very nice original center console. The plastic's not beat up. The wood grain's real nice. Slapstick shifter. I got a really nice steering wheel, original steering wheel, not worn. The seats are very good, but there is a split right at the seam here. Right there at the seam. Back seat looks good. The side panel, the plastic's really nice in the car. All the plastic panels, the console, the pillars. You got 6x9 speakers in back. You got really nice headliner. I'm sure that's replaced. You got seat belts for everyone, including the shoulder belts, the mirror, the visors. All look real good. So very nice interior. So that's a Gen 3 Hemi engine. It's a 5.7 liter. I don't know if that whole engine's aluminum, but at least the heads, the intake's aluminum. It's got a Mopar intake. The valve covers say 426, and they got the 426 air cleaner to give it the impression that it's like the original. But up front, we got the serpentine belt and pulley system, and all these components are from the modern engine. So water pump and and all that. It's got a nice Wizard Racing, Wizard cooling aluminum radiator with a custom-made shroud with three electric fans. Four electric fans. Wow, I've never seen that before. Batteries bolted down. You got the modern power steering. You got power brakes. The wiper motor looks restored. The whole engine bay is nice clean metal. It's painted lemon twist yellow. Got the overflow bottle. No, this is the washer bottle here. So it's all very nice. Nice motor compartment. I also wanted to mention, I overlooked because they're buried way down there, but it does have headers. They look like stainless headers, and it's a fuel injection system sitting under that air cleaner. The VIN number is here. It's also here on the cowl, and it's also stamped here on the core support. So the VIN numbers match on the body. So you just got a cool car here. I mean, come on, a yellow 73 billboard Cuda. It's got the new Hemi in it. Air conditioned. This is a car you're just going to get in and drive. You're going to make everyone that sees you jealous. Go to volocars.com. I just gave my impression. You can talk to the salesman. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe, and you got to click that bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Thanks for watching.